Hey everyone, Coach Paula here today, and we have a toned arms workout that is going to take just a real short amount of time, and I can't wait to get started with you. Our first exercise are front dumbbell raises. So your feet are shoulder width apart, knees bent, and you're raising each arm, just alternating each one. So we're just going to come up 90 degrees, and you're lifting with your shoulders, with your arms only. We're not swinging, okay? So make sure that your weight is not too heavy for you because we want you to have very controlled movements. We do not want this to be forced with your body weight. It just needs to be a lift straight ahead. 3, 2, and last 1. Good job. Now the next exercise is a bicep curl with an overhead press. So we're going to do just as you normally would do a bicep curl, but then we're going to rotate our hands, go straight above our head and press up and come straight back down, and then finish the curl by extending your arms again. So here we go. Straight up over our head. There you go. Now as you do this, try to make it straight above your head and not out in front of you or extended behind you. We want to make sure it's just straight up and down. 3, 2, last 1. Good job. Now our next exercise is a tricep extension. I am going to put one dumbbell down, and we're doing an overhead extension using one dumbbell, making sure that our hands are centered around the top of the dumbbell. And again, we're lifting straight over our head. And the reason you do not want to stagger your hands on your weight is because you want to get equal work on your triceps as you do this. And if you stagger them, then it will be uneven. Keep your core tight, keep breathing. 3, 2, last 1. Great job. Now we're going to get our other dumbbell back up and get that ready because our next exercise is a bent over row. So we are bending, we're hinging at the hips, bent over, and our arms straight down in front of us, but we're pulling back our elbows to our waistline. Not up here at the front, because that's not going to actually do what you're needing it to do. This is actually working on the back of your arms, on your triceps, but also under your arms here, where we get a bra bulge sometimes. So make sure you're really pulling up to the waist. 3, 2, last 1. Great job. Now we're staying in this position because the next exercise is actually a bent over fly. Again, working in that same area, the bra bulge area, but really toning the whole arm. And again, we want to be very careful that we do not have a weight that's too heavy because we don't want to swing our body to get it get our arms up. We just want to be able to use our arms to lift the weight. Keep breathing. Keep the core tight. 3, 2, last 1. There you go. Awesome job. Now, I did a lot of explaining this first round, so the second round, much less talking, much more work. Let's go. Starting with the front dumbbell raises. Here we go. Now just lift those arms 90 degrees. Core tight. Focus on those shoulders. Don't have them hunched up.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, last 1. There we are. All right, now onto that bicep curl with an overhead press. Straight up and lower down. Really stay focused. Don't rush these. Let that weight help keep your arms engaged. Three, two, last one. Here we go. Great job. All right, let's move on to that tricep extension. Hands above your head. Here we go. Three, two, and one. Grab that weight again onto those bent over rows. So bend at the hips, pull back. Keep the core tight. Look straight ahead. That back flat. Three, two, and one. Now onto those bent over flies. Here we go. Core tight. Flat back, lift with your arms. Controlled movements. Keep breathing. Your arms are gonna feel it tomorrow, but in a good way. Three, two, last one. Great job. Awesome work. You just completed 2 rounds of that toned arm workout. Let's jump right into round 3. Now just lift those arms 90 degrees. Core tight. Focus on those shoulders. Don't have them hunched up.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, two, last one. There we are. All right, now onto that bicep curl with an overhead press. Straight up and lower down. Really stay focused. Don't rush these. Let that weight help keep your arms engaged. Three, two, last one. Here we go. Great job. All right, let's move on to that tricep extension. Hands above your head. Here we go. Three, two, and one. Grab that weight again onto those bent over rows. So bend at the hips, and pull back. Keep that core tight. Look straight ahead. That back flat. Three, two, and one. Now onto those bent over flies. Here we go. Core tight, flat back, lift with your arms. Controlled movements. Keep breathing. Your arms are gonna feel it tomorrow, but in a good way. 3, 2, last one. Great job. Awesome work. Way to go. You just crushed that arm workout, and I'm so proud of you. So if you like this workout, do me a favor and leave a thumbs up. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any future workouts with Svelte, make sure you subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon below. I'm so glad you joined me today, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Y'all have an amazing day.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.